What's going on YouTube? It is Sam's Diecast Showroom here, bringing you guys another video. Today we're going to be cracking open some new 2023 Hot Wheels, and we have actually got the new Dollar General exclusive set. These are all the exclusive colors from Dollar General, and this is from the 2023 M case. Gotta love the exclusive colors. I have the 62 Corvette Gasser in orange, 2023 Nissan Z in gray, Custom Ford Maverick in blue, and then, or dark blue rather. The first one was kind of an aqua color. And then the 2017 Audi RS6 Avant in gray as well. Alright, here's the first one we're going to be cracking open today. 62 Corvette Gasser, an awesome car from the Gasser series. Number 174. And here we go. Awesome new recolor of this 62 Corvette Gasser. We have this in a nice orange color. This has the chrome interior, chrome exposed engine, 327 Firestone Holley equipped, fast fuely, all these different kind of rally race designs. Chrome 5-spoke rims on this one. Pretty awesome C1 Corvette. Skinny wheels in the front, not too fond of those, but made for the drag strip, made for gassers. There is the top of our Corvette here. There is the side. Very nice Corvette. Awesome colors on this. Here, take a look at the inside. Very cool. And all the awesome sponsors on the side as well. And chrome bumper that extends from the interior, which also extends the engine. Awesome rear end there. Continuing with the white striping. Doesn't go on the top though. And there we go. This has a black plastic base, made in Malaysia. Alright, next up, Custom Ford Maverick in the exclusive dark metallic blue from Musclemania, 2 of 10 and number 99. There we go. Another Dollar General exclusive vehicle. Gotta love it. And this is actually a very nice feeling casting. Gotta love the styling here with the mirrors on the hood. Don't really do that anymore. Dark metallic blue, double white striping. There's also a little bit of gray and blue there, so you can check it out there. Very nice. And Holley Firestone once again. Pretty much the same sponsors, Holley and Firestone right there on that one. And that's awesome. Black interior we have on this Custom Maverick. We have chrome muscle car 5-spokes, MC5s. Looks like a Mustang rear end. Gotta love the styling. These old Fords. Awesome looking vehicle. Love the front. Definitely Custom Maverick. And casting's been out for a few years. 2017 on the copyright. Gotta love these. Alrighty, 2023 Nissan Z. We have a Japanese import vehicle. 3 of 10 from that series, and number 46 on the year. Let's get this one cracked open. I have all the colors of this one. Ooh, this one actually had a cracked blister. Alright, black J5 rims on this one. And check out the detail on this. This is awesome. Metallic, dark gray, kind of like an anthracite. Maybe a little lighter than anthracite gray. Very pretty sports car. And here we go. We have the awesome details on the front. Mirrors. There's a nice coupe. And the top is all plastic. This is all one plastic piece. Pretty interesting way they did that there. Awesome designs on this. There is the back. This casting was released in 2022. Came out in yellow, white, blue, red, and then this Dollar General exclusive. And this used to be called the Nissan Z Proto in 2022. And then once they came out with the 2023 releases, by then Nissan had already put this car in production and it was no longer a concept. Pretty awesome. Here we go, 2017 Audi RS6 Avant. HW Wagons, 1 of 5. Here is the exclusive one with the European plates on it. And well, the European plates don't make it an exclusive, but the exclusive part is that it's a gray vehicle, has the black 10 spokes as opposed to the green one, the dark green one that came out earlier, which had gray Y5 spoke wheels. I haven't even opened that one yet. Let's crack this open, a little bit of a Rip there, that's alright. This is the first Dollar General exclusive from this mix that I found out about. And before it existed, it said TBD exclusive, to be determined exclusive on the wiki. There we go, love the detail on this. Take a look at those details. I mean, that is awesome. Love the European plate. The Audi RS6 was actually a famous car. Well, famous for the Autobahn accident in 2018. Some 62-year-old guy was going 120, 140 miles an hour, and he hit the back of a merging truck. The truck didn't see him. He flew into a pole, and yeah, as you can imagine, that didn't end very well. There we go. RS6 on the back. Very nice Audi. I wouldn't mind owning one of these in real life, although it would be pretty expensive. I need some money for that. There we go. Could be a nice family car. Gotta love the Audis, though. Audis are awesome cars. They're just not very reliable as far as the electronics go, but they're awesome. Sunroof on this one, black interior. Gotta love the four-door wagons. Very nice Audi. We had a 2003 A6, 220k miles before the engine transmission decided to walk out the door. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed the Dollar General exclusives. Alright, bye-bye.